Let's see how to use secrets in a Streamlit application. I already have my Python virtual environment enabled, so we can install Streamlit inside it, which I'm going to do using pip. And since I'm inside my virtual environment, Streamlit will be installed in this virtual environment. And it's now installed. I'll now create a very simple Streamlit application. So let's start by importing Streamlit, and let's add a title and a text. Let's run this Streamlit application just to make sure that everything works, and we can see our Streamlit application running. So now that we have that, how do we use secrets? It's actually very simple. First, we need to create a folder called .streamlit. Inside this folder, I'm going to create a new file, and it's going to be called secrets.toml. Let's say that my secret is an API key. I need to provide a key for this secret, and I'm just going to call it my API key. Of course, you can use any key you want. We then need to provide the value for this secret as a string, so make sure the value is in quotes. As an example, I'll go with ABC123. Now, back in the Streamlit application itself, I can now access the secret. So let's add another text field, and to access the secret, I just type st.secrets. To access the specific secret we want, we use it just as a dictionary. So inside square brackets, I need to provide the key for the secret I want. In my case, it's going to be my API key. And if we refresh our page now, we can see the value of our secret, which is the value of our API key.